Hello and welcome to my face. Today we're doing something a little bit different. This is still a brand new baby channel. We're still kind of finding our groove. Yeah, so I've seen a few people in the YouTube art community do this challenge. Xanthi's done it, The Average Artist has done it, Dina Norland has done it, and I'm talking about the 5-hour comic challenge. It just seems really fun, and I've got a free 5 hours today, so I want to give it a shot. I don't know. We're having fun here. So it is a little bit after 3 o'clock. Let's put 5 hours on the clock. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. It usually works. Anyway, set a timer for 5 hours. All right, okay, thanks. All right, let's go. I've forgotten how to draw. Okay, so quick update. I'm about 40 minutes into the challenge. I've just been sketching out in my sketchbook some quick character story ideas. So I knew I wanted something to do with mermaid unicorns, or mernicorns as I'm going to call them, and like a little girl who has a toy mernicorn. Does that look like anything? It looks like something to me. Originally I thought I was going to give her pigtails, but it's really hard to get those consistent. I'm very bad at consistency in drawing characters, so you know, comics are a strange choice, but something I want to get better at. She would have this mernicorn toy and like be watching some cartoon with the mernicorns, wishing she could be one, and then some magic happens and she turns into one, maybe. I don't know. I'm just sort of playing around with the concept. I think this is the design that I'm gonna go with. She's got her little jumper and her little mernicorn stuffed toy. Yeah, that's where we're at. I think now I'm gonna start like thumbnailing to try and get something down, some sort of a story thing down. Yeah, cool. Okay, I think I have a very basic layout. Let's start drawing this for real. I'm gonna switch to the computer because I feel much more confident with digital art than I do with traditional art. Yeah, let's go. Okay, well, I just finished the initial sketch for the entire page, and I've got a little under 3 hours to go. So I think we're making good time. I just hope that I'm happy with the inking, because that tends to take the longest. So let's go. Whew, just checking in real quick. We have about 40 minutes left on the clock. I've been listening to a podcast while I work. I just finished the flat colors, so now I need to go on. Yeah, so in the next 40 minutes, I just need to do all of the shading and lettering, and then I will be done. So we're in the home stretch. Let's go. With less than a minute to spare, I think I'm done. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Well, 5 hours later, here we are. I made a comic. So yeah, that was a really fun challenge. The sun has now set. I'm very hungry because I haven't eaten in the past 5 hours. And I have a little one-page comic. So that's really cool. This was a really fun little challenge, and I might do more of these. Yeah, just something a little fun and different. And yes, I don't know how to do outros. Well, I will just leave you for now. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and everybody who's subscribed to my channel, it makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more of my future videos. Thanks. So until next time, take care. Bye. Thank you.